Led by the officer in charge of the station, Mr. Abdusalam Jimo, the visit was for the management of the station to familiarize with the Fuji legend King Wasiu Ayinde Mashall and express the station's readiness to partner prominent Ijebu indigenes for better operations. Welcoming his guests, King Wasiu Ayinde Mashall described NTA as the platform on which majority of music stars in the country climb to stardom.
Entertainment is huge, and it's been a very big source that really serves and brings people together. A whole lot of people live on entertainment. What we are doing is entertainment. The one I do is entertainment, and very many other areas of entertainment too. But what we are saying is we should be very careful to want to bring foreign exploitation into our midst, something that doesn't have bearing on our heritage and cultural standing.
The Mayegun of Yoruba land, however, berates the kind of music the present-day musicians are singing, saying they are bastardizing the industry.
Some music today, are they really passing the message to develop and grow the youth among us in the right direction? We should not lose head because we want to enjoy the freedom of the world. Freedom is good, but so also freedom comes with a lot of hazard.
Speaking on the state of the nation, the Fuji exponent lent his voice.
This current administration came in less than 2 months. They had a longer journey we are going. And along the line, if we do not put patience, we probably might not get to that destination. So patience will lead you to complete your journey and even double more your effort.
He therefore expressed his readiness to partner NTA Ijebu to improve its broadcasting operations. In Ijebu, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.